All right, so we're looking at number 7 here. Number 7. Now, let me do this using red. What's in the red circle is a term. What's in the blue circle, it's a term. What's in the yellow circle, it's a term. All right, so that you guys can actually see what's up. Let's also give you the green. What's in the green is a term. You see, including the signs, positives and negatives. 102p is the last term. So I wanted it to, so that is clear for you, which things are terms. So the last term, L or T subscript N, it is given by 102. 102 is gonna multiply the P, all right? 102 times the P. And then we need A, the first term, which is negative 2P. Very clear to you there. Then we're gonna need the difference. Well, it's easy, we're gonna work it out now. And we're gonna need the N. Of course, later we're gonna need the S subscript N as well. All right, let's see what the D is. Come on, you got 2P minus negative 2P. This is how you roll. It's gonna be 2P minus, in the parentheses, you've got a minus and a negative. Minus, it's gonna be minus 2P. You are a mathematician, it's gonna give you 4P. Let's try it with the third term, the 6P. If you take 6P minus the second term, which is 2P, it confirms it is 4P, so to speak. So now we know common difference, it's 4 multiplied by the P. That's what it is. So using the last term formula or the nth term formula. So it's gonna be T subscript N equals to A. It's gonna be A and then plus. You open the parenthesis, we need N minus 1, then times by the D. The next is substitution. So in the substitution, let's go yellow. So that means I need to put 102P equals to A, which is a negative 2P, plus N minus 1, and then open the parenthesis, put a 4P here. You don't need a calculator for this because you got variables. All right, so if I take this negative 2P, bring it by 102P, it's gonna add up. So really, we are going to have 1, remember it now becomes a 4 here, okay, 104, because you're having 102, you're plusing it with the 2, which is 104. So you have 104P equals to, now here, like I said, if you want to divide by 4P, you can do that. So I'm gonna do that. So I've got N minus 1 into 4P. All right, so it's based, remember, when you divide by 4P, you can multiply it in the parentheses, no problem, but I'm gonna divide, but the P's are going to cancel, because what you are doing, you are actually doing this. Divide that by the verb be. You're doing this, divide that by the verb be. By the verb be, so meaning that will zap that. The P will zap the P. That's exactly what's really happening. So I already have 104 there. I'm going to divide that by 4. I almost say 51 or 52. Okay, 26. Good. So we now have 26 equals to n minus 1. You transpose the 1, you're going to have n is 27. So n equals to 27. So there are 27 terms in this one here. So I'm just going to go right and say n equals to 27 terms. Good. So now we are ready to do the sum of the first 27 terms. This one here. I'm going to use that formula that has the last term. The one that has the last term. I'm going to use that formula. So that means I'm having S subscript 27 equals to the n, which is 27 over the 2. Open the brackets. First term is negative 2p. Last term, we have it 102p. So it's plus 102p. This is straight to the point. 102p. All right, so let's work it out. So this is what we got. When you work out this, you're going to end up with 100 here. Minus 2 plus 102 is 100p. All right, so if you want to work out the 27, you can say 27 divided by the 2, 13.5. So I can put it as 13.5 into 100p. Close the parentheses. So I just need to multiply the 13.5 by 100. There it is. I've got 1,350p. That's the answer for that one there. I'm doing it because it has variables. In the beginning of the year, you kind of go, how do I deal with this one? So I want to get rid of anything that's challenging.